Welcome to Balian, a hidden gem in Tabanan, Bali. Surrounded by rolling hills and lush rice fields, it's a serene retreat blending natural beauty with adventure. Presenting a secluded 1,500 square meters hilltop paradise in Balian. This prime land offers stunning 180-degree views of rice fields and jungle. With dual zoning rights, it's perfect for a private villa, boutique eco-resort, or a high-return investment property. Its strategic location and full SHM certification makes it an excellent opportunity for long-term growth. Just 6 kilometers from Balian Beach, adventure is always close. Enjoy world-class surfing, scenic rice field walks, and charming local cafés. Further up north, Medjugorje offers Bali's longest waves, drawing surfers from around the world. More than just land, this is a rare opportunity. Build your dream home, start a rental property, or grow your investment portfolio. Contact us today to make this Bali paradise yours.